So guys, this year's Google Pixel 6 series is going to be Google's best chance and the strongest chance to take on brands like OnePlus, and judging by the first look here, I think that it might easily be a better smartphone than the OnePlus 9 Pro. So this is it, and it looks super gorgeous, and the important thing is that this is not just another smartphone with the boring camera square on the top left corner. Every smartphone looks like this from the back. Galaxy S20, iPhone 12 Pro, OnePlus 9 series, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, even last year's Pixel, every phone is looking like the same, which is super boring. So this new Pixel 6 design is a breath of fresh air. This smartphone looks totally unique in a good way, and you won't be mistaking this as a OnePlus or a Xiaomi or a Samsung. You will know absolutely that this is a Pixel 6 and nothing else. If anything, it looks a bit of a mixture of the Galaxy S10 with the Nexus 6P, both of which were one of the best looking smartphones on their day. So we have a horizontal camera bump which spans over the whole width of the smartphone. On the Pixel 6 we have dual cameras with a flashlight, and on the 6 XL we have triple cameras with the flashlight. The camera bump itself is quite substantial, though definitely not the smallest camera bump by any means, but because this camera bump spans over the whole width of the smartphone, at least the phone won't wobble on the table. This new camera design also continues the original Google design language when they had dual tone colors, which they abandoned in the Pixel 4 and the 5, but seems like they will be bringing that dual tone design in the Pixel 6. On the left hand side we have the volume rockers along with the power button, but for some reason they chose to put the power button above the volume rockers because usually it is the other way around. Power button in most smartphones is the bottom button, so that will be interesting. And guys, if you notice, there is no more a fingerprint scanner on the back of the smartphone, and neither it is present on the power button. So this means that the Pixel 6 lineup will be the Google's first smartphone to use an under-display fingerprint scanner. At the front we have a hole punch in the display, but this time it is on the center of the display. The bezels are pretty small, and we have slight curves on both of the sides. Also, the smartphone is more squarish, kind of like a Galaxy Note, but not exactly that square. As of now, we don't know the actual screen sizes of the Pixel 6 and the 6 XL. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section down below about the Pixel 6. Do you like this new design? I have to say that this might be my favorite non-folding smartphone of 2021. Also guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and don't forget to subscribe to AMRTR as well for reviews and unboxings. That is my second channel, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.